Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to make a blur image. It might be face or background. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to go on canva.com. Once you visit in canva.com, just select a layout. It may be a custom layout, it may be something what you needed. So I am going to actually search a Facebook layout. That's why I am searching Facebook. When I will find out Facebook, I got some options here, suggestion. I can say that Facebook post. I will click over here, and here I will click a landscape for Facebook post. Just click over here. Once I click over here, they will give me this interface where I can edit my images here. So now I need an image who also placed in the background like green or other kind of. So that's why I will click over here in the elements. In fact, when I will click over here, they will give me option this man. So I will use this because I already used in recently video, so that will okay for me. So once I click over here, I have the option here like elements in edit. Just click here. Once you click here, you can see we have further more option here. You can scroll down and you will find out the effect option, and here you can see in the three number row that blur option. Just click over here. You can see if you want to blur whole image, then you can do it. You have the intensity option, you can see it. If you don't want to blur whole image, then you have also option for delete only specific option by specific position. Just you can do it, increase or decrease your brush size by clicking or drag and drop this option. So you can change your intensity too by using this option. So let's go to the edit, and you can see our brush is working. Now if I click over here and drag down all the faces, then you can see that our image has been blurred yet, and you can change the intensity too by using this option. So again I am trying, look, you can see that how much easy it is. I hope so now you can do it your way. It is really simple and quickest way I make a video on it. So I hope this video find out yourself helpful. If you think this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much. I hope I will catch you in the next video again. Or if you want to a new video specific category, just comment below. I will make it for you. Thank you so much.